What up, world? Welcome back to another episode of Skinny's World. I got a special guest today, my boy B-Dubs.
What's going on?
Woo! Well, as you can probably guess, we're going to another event. Lamborghini, OC Supercar Fest, Cars and Coffee, whatever you want to call it. We're heading there today. We got our supply from our dealer already. Show them what we got. Yeah, we supplying donuts for the fellas over at PFS. Ooh, check that out.
Yummy.
Yeah, scrumptious. We are meeting up at PFS first before we go, and then we're gonna head over as a group over to Newport, man. So hopefully we get some good rides, get to roll out together. So we'll see what that looks like. For us, it'll be 2 minutes. For you, it'll be like 3 seconds. So we'll see you there. Alright guys, it's donuts. But you see, we early. Oh, hold on. It's gonna be one of them days. Oh yeah. Alright guys, talk about Big Wang gang. Look at this bad boy, Big Wang, I think it's huge. Brandon, stand next to that thing. How big this thing is.
Bigger than mine.
Woo! Huge, I like it. Those of you guys that like butts, there we go.
It's nice.
You an ass man. Big old wang right there. Woo! Telling you guys, PFS is the ish, man. They even work on the weekends. I'm just telling you, look, they work on the weekends. Let me get a quick shot. Even on the weekend, man, getting it in. If you guys want any raps done, anything, I'm telling you, come to PFS. Even on the weekend, they working. Man. All right, we mobbing out, guys. Lamborghini. Here we come. McLaren City. We got 3 McLarens. Mercedes AMG. Of course, the Batmobile. And a Lambo in the front with Jason. Pretty good crew right here. $25 million in cars right in front of us. I feel like I should rev right into one. Maybe not. My insurance might not like that. What do you think, Brandon?
5 mil, I mean, that's a little steep. It's a little steep.
I don't know if Geico can cover that. Woo! All right, we're gonna go to the front and head out. See what the front look like. See what the madness is like up front. My boy right here, man. Look at this guy right here.
What up?
You see how I'm on the streets? You pay him. Wanna know why? He's the general. Just saying. Man, McLaren is taking over the world. That's all you see. McLaren. Man, I don't know what's going on. They're taking over the universe in the car world. That's all you see. Sheesh. Old school. I like it. Army green. Woo.
Relationship.
If you guys didn't watch the Supercars by the Sea vlog, his and hers McLaren back again. Relationship goals, man. I'm telling you, man. Husband and wife. I'm telling you, honey, if you watching, well, yeah, I know you're gonna watch, but match McLarens? Match Lambos? Just saying. Why not? Man, I know I said it before, but it is packed. Holy smokes. Everybody here to see Skinny, you know what I mean? All right, Brandon. I know you want to start a family soon.
Oh,
Maybe not?
nah.
Well, if you do, you got a Lamborghini for the family. You know what I'm saying? Right here.
There?
Yeah. That Urus. Woo.
That'd I mean, it's a Lambo, so you can't really say no.
That's true. Put the kids in the back, you know what I'm saying?
I don't even know if there's a car seat might just fly off. So you take off. The kids be flying around.
What?
The Commando.
Yeah, that's the Commando right there, boy. Going to war with this bad boy. I like that. Look at the Tron Con again, though. Tron Con. Right there, man. Sheesh. Tron Con's fresh, man. Shoot. Hey, once again, this ain't a bad view. Nope. Not a bad view. Check out V10 Bros Lamborghini. Woo-wee! Let's go. Let's go. That's that drip right there. Drip, drip. Drip, drip. Drip, drip. Drip, drip. Growing up as a kid, North Carolina was my college team. Right here is I call it the Carolina Mobile. Look at that powder blue. That's nice. Really nice. All right, guys, we're gonna check out YouTuber Shmee, his Ford GT. It's a nice spec. Nice. Found a celebrity, guys. Celebrity in the house right here, man. Boy, Mark right here. What's up?
It's crazy here for real.
I know, man. If you guys remember the black BMW from the last vlog, 700 horses, taking pink slips.
Oh man,
This guy right here.
Light on here. Look at this.
Right?
Crazy.
I know. If everybody's here for you, dude. Everybody's here. We gonna head inside. See what's Gucci inside. Give me some of that free food. You heard? Yo, it is crazy in here. I don't know if they're giving away free Lamborghinis or what. Holy smokes. Sheesh. Homie back in the vlog again. Are you solo today?
Nah, bro, I got my crew right
Okay, all right. I know you guys recognize the ramen. Look at this green right here. That's not a wrap. This is paint. Look at this. Ooh, got Slimer in 2 spots. Just saying. Talk about Ghostbusters. Hey, Brandon, who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters.
Hooked you up with the VIP.
VIP.
I mean, it's free, but they got goodies. Look at this. They got goodies this time. Woo-wee. Goodies, right? Man. Woo. They hooking us up today. Man. Trying to eat outside my comfort zone. This is spinach, egg, and some other stuff in it. It's actually pretty good. Problem is, I hope it stays long enough to get home. It may clean me out. Too much info, but it's okay. Hey, we ain't rich, but you trying to live the rich life? How you know is when you get to leave your food and they come get it for you. We out. Look, you guys. Check out that parking job. Oh my gosh. Yo. Whoever did that parking job, congrats to you. That's pretty good. Evo, guys. This is the brand new Lambo. They got that center screen right there. Nothing on the dash. It's a clean look. I want to say old school, but the last model they made, you got everything in the center. I don't know. I kind of like the older ones better still. Still dope. All right, y'all. We're gonna head out. We're gonna try and hit up that South Coast Cars and Coffee. South Coast Cars and Coffee. Always late, but hey, it is what it is. We gonna hit it up. We'll see y'all in a bit. McLaren takeover. I keep telling you, look at this. McLaren. McLaren. It's like McLaren City, dude. McLaren though.
McLaren is pretty nice.
McLaren City. There's a whole lot in McLaren City. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Yeah, that one's pretty
Matching whips, matching dudes. All right. Are y'all about to pull in? I got balloons out for your boy. Skinny's Roll is here. Thank you. Thank you all so much. All right, y'all, we made it. Yes, we're late. Once again.
Fashionably.
Definitely fashionably late. It's very true, very true. But we're here. Still got some dope cars. I mean, you got old school Ford GT. That's always here. And then you got the new school Ford GT. So you know what? Let's do a compare and contrast a little bit. I've shown you this Ford GT before because that's this guy. I mean, respect to him, but he's here every weekend. And then we'll go take a look at the new one, see what that one looks like. Let's take a look at the new school. I think he's leaving. Let's get him before he leaves.
Monday car.
Yep, new school wins. New school wins. Your Monday car, man. Look at that. Hey, you stand out, everybody.
The yellow.
Right? Man, it could be yours
It's a dope car though.
for only 32 grand. 99. I didn't know they made them that early. 99?
Muscle.
America Muscle. Not American, America Muscle.
Bumblebee.
Yellow is definitely the theme today.
Supercharged.
That's the old school smell.
It really does. I was just thinking the same thing.
Mustang. Look at this over here, man. Yeah. Fresh. This is awesome. I like it. Woo. Wait, what year is it?
1966, first year it came out.
Wow. 66.
Roadster model, all original.
Woo.
No doors.
Wow. Oh, it came with no doors.
Yeah, it's all original.
Wow. Paint is awesome. Wow.
It's all metal.
That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Wow, that's beautiful. Car reminds me when I was a kid. Fun fact, my parents had a dark blue Bronco. I think it was like 86-ish. Went to Vegas and back with some family friends, and it caught on fire. So good memories, but funny memories seeing that Bronco. That was fresh though. That owner said he's had that paint for 20 years. He bought it 20 years ago, repainted it to the original color, and had it ever since. So it's clean. Shout out to you, it's clean. Oh, we got a celebrity in the house. Uh-oh. Gangster Pegastan.
Hey, friends.
Back in the vlog. Been racing?
Yes.
So we're gonna take a look at her front tire because she's scraping.
There's just an obvious pattern. You can tell. Look at just the inside compared to this 2-inch patch there. And that's just because I'm sitting too low, and when I take a turn at 130,
Yeah.
the car's just sitting so low.
That was a slight flex if you guys know 130, just saying. Some of you guys don't even go 80. It's true.
But the turn at Fontana, a different track, I can go faster because it's a bank turn, and we rubbed there too. So it's been a problem. And now I need to finally address it because it was like we saw threading on our previous tire. So we had to get a replacement, run back to the track, and we still did another run, but then we saw it again and we're like, we should just be safe and stop. So that's why we had a half day. Still had fun.
yeah. Hey,
And did it with a 136 with street tires with 300 tread, just so you know. So no slicks.
No slicks.
But if I had slicks, 130. Sub 130.
There we
I'm
go.
coming for you, muscle cup.
There we go.
Coming for you.
There we go.
An upgraded cage eventually.
Are you?
Like right now it's a 4-point, but I want a 6-point so it comes down the door.
Gotcha.
I'll then get my carbon doors, but this is I feel like 2 years-ish down the because the body
the
kit's
weight.
carbon. So I want to
Oh,
have
the one you got carbon?
and I'm gonna color it orange.
Like the orange carbon?
I'll need the doors. I'm gonna get a trunk, do the
Dude,
side skirts.
it's gonna be a whole new car.
It's gonna be a whole new car. Give it like a year.
Transformation's
year and a half.
coming. You guys can check her out on her Instagram. This past weekend, she was killing it in the track. All you heard was, I'm telling you.
And I was chasing my friend in the Z28.
The work, man. Hard work, dedication. I'm telling you guys, she's killing it. She is killing the game. Woo!
I want.
We're gonna do trivia time with Brandon. Welcome to Skinny's Trivia. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. What is the hardest mod that she put on herself on her car? Take a walk around and guess. Why don't you take a walk
That
around?
might help. That
Yeah, you
might
get a
help.
hint. Not under the hood. What is the hardest mod that they did themselves on this car? Let's see.
You're warm. You're warm.
Nope. You get 2 more guesses. Really hard here.
The hitch.
It is. Surprisingly. Wow, second guess. Man, you must have been in college.
Yeah.
It looks like so fancy,
Yeah.
but like I said,
Right?
got to take off the bumper, take
Yeah.
off the tail lights,
Yeah.
and then
Everything.
guess what? You gotta take
Gotta
off the
rewire
crash bar,
everything
take
down.
it off, drill into it, I believe,
Yeah.
twice. You then get to mount it to the crash bar.
Make sure all the wires are.
Right there.
And then we added a generic backup light so that we wouldn't be left without it. But it
Yeah.
literally replaces the housing for the light. So
Wow. Got all the stuff on there.
Smallest thing.
I think
crazy.
it took us Charlie and I 5 hours.
That's crazy. Gangsta Pegastan. She killing the game. I don't claim to be the car guy. Don't know what this car is, but it's nasty though.
Extra 60 miles per hour.
Look at that. Can you get the sparkle? Yes, we getting the sparkle. Look at this thing. Matte, grayish blue finish. Yeah. Oh shoot, headhunter. Be careful. Sick. Even the dash matches the roof.
Hoods.
Shoot.
Your local neighborhoods near you.
It's pretty cool. It's a cool little old touch. It's pretty fresh.
Hubcaps are
Those aren't hubcaps. Come on.
You can take them off. That comes off right there. the little lug nuts.
Got one last car to look at, the Stingray. Yeah. That's fresh. Yeah. Man, I'm telling you, every time I'm late, find something. I'm just gonna keep coming late. All right, man. I got 2 subscribers here to the channel. What's your name?
Ryder.
Ryder?
Ian.
Ian, what's up, guys? Hey, check them out on their Instagram. Give them to them. Shout out.
Ryder's great shot.
All right.
Ian_Laskin.
There we go. Reach out to them, guys. Skinny's Road, y'all. All right, guys. You guys won't believe me, but I used to have this car in high school. Don't judge me. Woo! Hear them turbos, though? Woo! Hear them turbos? I'm not hating. I'm not hating. You used to listen to Flower in there, though. Oh, yeah. I put Skittles in mine, though. I did. Legit. I had that car in high school. That was my first brand new car. Don't judge me. I had a wing on it. I had 2 12 subs in it. That thing used to kick, man. Kick. Don't judge me, but yes. Your boy Skinny. Yes. Had a Beetle. A Beetle. Not a bug. A Beetle. I'm gonna give him a little revy rev. Why not? Why not? All right, one more for the road. There we go. All right, you see her, Dolly Parton. Paying homage again. Brandon, how do you feel about Dolly?
I low-key want to touch it.
We're currently trying to get a tunnel run, but we got the po-po in front of us.
5-0.
Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they're running for you? Not hitting no, eh. No, I don't know the words. We're trying though. Cop or no cop? Yeah! As you guys see, we made that pit stop. In and out. About to get this food in and then out, if you know what I mean. There's a debate out there. You guys do the number 2, which is the regular cheeseburger, or the number 1 double-double. I can't do double-double. It's too much meat for me.
Double all day.
He likes the extra meat.
Extra. Catch my drift.
Go ahead and comment down below how much meat you guys like to eat. Be careful what you say. I will judge you. Just saying. Grub. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed our time spent. Shout out to the PFS crew for letting us tag along this morning. Once again, subscribe, join the movement. Right?
Movement.
Let's get this roll, y'all. And we out.